dots.
Okay.
Okay.
Sandy Rothman is not vaccinating her daughter Brooklyn, but not by choice.
We were told that she was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia, which requires 2 years of very, very heavy chemotherapy,
Which completely wipes out her immune system. All vaccinations had to be suspended.
I feel incensed that there are people out there who are deliberately exposing their children to other illnesses. I have spent the last 2.5 years of my life with a chronically ill child, and it's unfathomable to me that anyone would deliberately put their child in harm, and B, would put the rest of the world at harm.
Rothman is referring to parents who choose not to vaccinate their children. Public Health Officer Eric Handler says a measles outbreak that originated in Disneyland has now spread. In Orange County alone, more than 30 people have contracted measles, and a third of them are children.
The children, the majority were not vaccinated.
Handler says some parents fear their children will get autism from vaccines, but those fears are based on a long discredited study, and other studies show no such link. He also points to the internet as a source of misinformation and worry among parents. Parents who don't vaccinate their children say they are acting in their children's best interest.
There's also many risks if they get the vaccine versus getting an illness that they could actually recover from.
They are making a decision not to vaccinate based on information that they get from the internet and from their peers. And we see pockets of affluent areas choosing to not get vaccinated. But this is not unique to Orange County.
In California, although students are required to be vaccinated when they enter school, parents who don't vaccinate their children can get a waiver called a personal belief exemption. State records show that in child care facilities of 2 to 4 years old, there are more personal belief exemptions in private schools than public schools. Sandy Rothman wanted to enroll her daughter in a school that specialized in art, but couldn't.
We're talking about children of educated artists attending this school has an 11% personal belief exemption. This is the school that we want to send our child to, but we can't.
There has been a slight decrease in the number of personal belief exemptions in schools. Handler attributes that to a new state law last year that required parents to talk to a healthcare provider who has to sign off on a waiver. He stresses it is in the best interest of the child and the community to vaccinate children. Elizabeth Lee for VOA News, Los Angeles.